again. Looks like this time we're in the rollback. We're headed up to Zion National Park, and apparently we have a 28-foot motorhome that's parked on top of a big wood post in a campground. I sure appreciate all the support. We hit 25,000 subscribers today. That's a big number. Lots of people paying attention to what we're doing. So I can't thank you enough for all your support and all your kind words. Sometimes all your not so kind words, but we'll roll with the punches. We're having a good time. We're going to keep on doing what we're doing. We will take you along for the ride. Anything you want.
I can do that.
You be the...
I can spot out and like yell.
Yeah, just let me know.
Yeah. Okay. So the wheel's hitting the pole now.
A little bit more?
Kind of bit, maybe a tiny bit. That's it. Yeah. It's coming out. It's almost at the axle now. It's on the bumper.
Jump forward a little bit.
It's on the bumper. I think it'll pop the bumper.
Right forward.
Yeah, forward could work. Keep going forward. Okay. And then if you go now, no, it's Henry, stop. Henry, stop and you go for it. I think you could pop it out now almost. What do you think? Just straight up, the angle you go.
Okay, can you back out? Or do you want me to just keep...
Okay, we're good. Yay! We did it! Good work! wasn't too big of a deal. Just had to get the
rollback, moved around there and give them a little bit of a winch sideways while the owner kind of jockeyed the wheel around and moved it around a little bit for us. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Thanks for all the amazing support. Hit 25,000 subscribers today. You guys are a lot of fun. All your goofy comments, all your good comments, all your bad comments. Anyways, we're working on apparel. We're working on hats and t-shirts and hoodies and stickers and all the good stuff. Couldn't do it without you. So appreciate the support. We're gonna keep on doing what we're doing. This is the day in the life of Casey. Casey's off-road recovery and everything else that I do. So thanks for coming along for the ride.